And now let's delve deeper into the IDX performance, where we are joined by our analyst Gemma Guyardi, Astronacci founder and CEO. Hi, Gemma, come out and join me here nearby the screen. So, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for having me today.
Yeah, we want to sort of like look back into your forecast. If we see on the graphic now. So this was...
that was before when I was here.
Exactly. So would you like to explain what happened on that forecast?
Initially,
in September.
Yeah, in September, I saw there's a bearish divergence with potential double top and rising weights here. And then I mentioned that 19 to 20 September 2024 will be the time resistance from which the price may go down. And then that was my forecast last time when we were here. And then let's take a look for the next.
Yeah.
And
so this was happening right at the day where the
Fed
cut the rate.
And exactly on the 19th of September, it's happening. So the price making a new time resistance and drop significantly is about like 5.8%. And then now the bottoming is coming, and then the JCI is rising again. So my job today will tell the investor or traders when will be the next time resistance.
Exactly. So when is it?
Let's take a look then.
All right. Okay. Let's see the next graphic here. So JCI performance and the outlook.
Yeah, so if you can see here, since the 11th of October, the price starting rising higher, and then we believe the 17th to 18th October, during the full moon and the Venus sextile Pluto aspect, it will be the first time resistance, which is, that will be 2 days from now, at least, right?
Thursday
to 17 to 18. So if you can see the price still moving higher now, even though the Dow Jones is in the red area last night. So it means that we're pretty close to the next time resistance. Then the short-term trader should be more careful. They probably need to consider selling their stocks and then buy back later. But for now, 17 to 18 will be the time resistance. And if you can see the 22nd of October during the Sun square Pluto, that will be another time reversal.
Right.
So the scenario is, if the price reverse on the 17 or 18, going down, then we're looking for the new bottoms, time bottom on 22nd of October. That's the first scenario. The second scenario, when the price decides to continue higher and then stronger, then the 22nd of October, that will be the next time resistance. So at least for now, we have this two time band, 17 to 18 October, or the 22nd of October, that will be the reversal time. So this is the critical time that all traders and investors should aware.
Yeah, they're looking out for the members of the cabinet as well.
Yeah.
New,
oh yeah, that's right. The 20th of October.
20th of October is going to be the inauguration.
Yes, correct.
All right, and that's going to be on the weekend?
Yeah, it should be.
First Monday, is it?
Yeah.
Weekend, something like that. Yeah.
So speaking about the price, we're looking at the 7,700. There's a lot of price gaps, but we're aiming for 7,700 to 7,750 for the next price resistance for the JCI.
All right. Now, let's talk about stocks. So what are the recommended stocks?
I'm still positive to the banking, and then my best bet is the BBRI. And then we're looking for the minimum target of 5,525 for the next 4 weeks. And then the longer target price will be 6,400. So this is really great stocks in terms of the fundamental and then the price action. And then this can fit to the short-term traders, to the mid-term investors.
Right.
So we're looking for 25 to 40% earnings for the next 6 months at least.
6 months?
Yep.
All right. Okay, we're going to continue talking with you,
Let's do it.
especially about gold, but that's going to be after the break. So let's continue our discussion after that. Stay here on See Today Business. Welcome back to See Today Business. Global gold prices are continuing to strengthen in recent days amid rising geopolitical tensions, falling U.S. yields and rate cut expectations by the Fed. Gold price has maintained its high price in recent days. Last Friday, October the 11th, spot gold closed at $2,657 per troy ounce. This came despite recent sticky U.S. inflation data as Fed rate cut expectations remain intact. Meanwhile, spot gold this week is continuing its bullish momentum as it hit $2,668 on Tuesday night, which is the highest in the past 2 weeks. Meanwhile, in today's trading, spot gold managed to rise to $2,670 per troy ounce at 10 minutes past 9 a.m. Jakarta time. This marked a nearly $8 rise or 0.29% increase for the day so far. And now let's delve deeper into gold price outlook. We're still with Pak Gemma Guyardi, Astronacci founder and CEO. So let's see your previous forecast again. You forecasted gold to drop first at the support area of 2,600.
Yeah, I mentioned that the price is going to decline, right? And then even though this is a bullish trend, but there's a secondary reaction. I'm looking for the 4-hour October at 2,600. That was in the seat today as well.
Yep.
And then what happened after that, we can see the real,
1 minute. So it did actually
fell down.
Yes.
658 pips. That's declined like crazy, right? But again, the trend's still bullish, and then we believe that we should buy on weakness. And then this what happened. How we know that the trend is still bullish? So let me draw something here.
Yes, alrighty.
So in the gold, the trickiest part is you have to keep it simple. And then if you can see here, the channel is going 45 degrees up. So mostly it's 45 degrees up, and then the price is making higher high and higher lows like this. So this will be a higher low area. And then if we can see the red line here, this is called exponential moving average for 34 days. And then as long as the price is still moving above the EMA, it means the price is moving in a bullish trend. It's pretty solid. So we're looking at the continuation of the bullish trend.
So what are the factors that are...
So it could be the war.
It's
right?
the war.
Yeah, the war.
As escalating of the war.
Exactly. So the more tense the war, we can see that the gold will be the better option for all investors. They think that this is my safe haven. I'm going to put my asset, switch from the other, maybe the bonds, and switch it to gold. And then that's what happened. And then let's take a look to the next analysis, since we believe that the gold is still moving in a bullish trend.
Right.
So now we're looking to this new perspective. There's a new falling wedge pattern here.
Yeah.
And then the whole, if you can see, is moving 45 degrees up, right? Again. Now, there's a vibrational date on the 17th of October. There's a full moon cycle. If you see the price a little bit slower in the bullish run, so it means that it could be a little bit consolidation until the 17th of October before it's continue. And then we're looking at 2685 for the first target, and then 2708 for the second target. So the whole scenario is bullish. So for the short-term traders or for investor, you should looking for a buy.
So is there going to be another record high, and when is it going to?
I believe so. It's 2708. So maybe the first week of November during the non-farm payroll, right? And then that will be the main reason, because we need a macro reasons to push gold higher. But in this case, we know for sure 2708 will be the next target price.
Okay, what about the Fed cuts that is expected to happen again?
So probably, I don't know, probably will be like 25 base point instead of 50, because they already like did aggressive rate cut before. But if they cut another rate cut, and then we believe that the gold will increase higher and higher, because there's a strong correlation in that too.
So you would suggest that people would invest now?
Yeah, I mean, like buy on weakness is the best strategy at least. And then we're waiting for December. There's a sun in Capricorn cycle in December, which is 90% will bring gold like $100 per troy ounce higher. So
what about the U.S. election? It's happening as well in November.
Yeah, in November, right? I'm still looking what's the correlation between these two, but at least for now, we believe that the gold will maintain its bullish trend for the next 2 months.
Right.
And we just need to find a dip, like a correction, and we should get in.
All right, so we're seeing gold to go up again.
Yeah.
And so watch out for the investors to basically invest now. Thank you so much for your insights. As always, Pak Gemma Guyardi.
Thank you.
And come again to See Today Business.
See you.
So gold will shine until the next, at least end of the year.